Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Webull application on your phone. Webull is available for both Android and iPhone through the official App Store and your Google Play Store, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. Now in the search bar, type in Webull and search. Look for the Webull application from the search result and tap on it. It'll now take you to this info section of Webull, where you can see the install or the get button or a small cloud icon. Tap on it to begin the download process for Webull application. While downloading the app, make sure that you're selecting the Webull app from Webull Technologies Pte. Limited. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet to do so. Once you are done with the download, you can then open up the application and create a new Webull account or log into your existing account. So that's how you easily download and install Webull on your Android or your iOS, depending upon your device's type. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.